how did you manage to capture that exact moment? I assume you took a lot of footage and then you isolated it or somehow, because it's a natural moment.
When she comes down the stairs and...
Yeah, I assume you didn't stage it, so you used a lot of cameras, a lot of footage. How did you...
No, I don't use. I never use. Always only use one camera because I can only, I have to be behind the one camera. I don't like this with many cameras. And as I remember the scene, it's actually only one shot. It's only one shot. It's a tracking shot. I don't remember. It starts on her coming down, and then she comes in. We see the old lady, and then we go down and come up to the mirror. Right? It's one shot. And of course, probably, and now I don't remember precisely, probably I told them the choreography of the shot, right? That she comes out, she says something, you come down like that, right? And then, but I don't necessarily tell them all the lines.
Okay.
In the very end, you know, that, which I think is a beautiful scene where they're putting flowers in the vase. Of course, I only gave, I know that Mrs. Beck, she doesn't trust men, right? She has been married to a very old German man. You know, like she was forced to marry a very old German man and she ran away. That's why she became a Dane. She actually fled him, right, and became a Dane. But I know exactly her relationship to my sex, and it's not very honorable, the relationship. So I knew that if I only gave the lines to Mrs. Christensen, the younger woman, I could foresee the reactions of Mrs. Beck, right? And then I made a very simplistic, again, a very simplistic camera. We have those. Have first a close shot of their hands, right? And then you go back to a full shot of those two women standing there polishing and putting down that flowers, right? Then she starts, Mrs. Christensen starts asking questions, and Fru Beck moves towards the camera. And then I knew that when I pan with Mrs. Christensen, and suddenly the two women cannot see each other, she will, something will happen in her face, because now she's on her own. And there, suddenly, we see that she becomes Ophelia, right? Suddenly she's very, very interested. She's like a little girl, right? She's very interested with love, right? But when she's face to face with the other woman, she's tough, right? I don't care about men. Get rid of the bullshit, right? But when suddenly the two women cannot control each other with their eyes, right? She let go and becomes a little girl. She becomes Ophelia, right? So that, that's kind of very planned all the way through, right?